What if I told you? You could create any thumbnail you can imagine. That looks like it was designed by a top-tier professional and using just one prompt.
Before we generate anything, we need inspiration. There are 2 easy ways to do this.
First one is YouTube research. Scroll YouTube. Find a thumbnail you love. Maybe something bold, dramatic, high contrast, something that pops. Take a quick screenshot, that's it. We're not copying, we're analyzing structure, composition, emotion. The second one is Pinterest. Go to Pinterest, search YouTube thumbnail design. You'll see thousands of professional layouts, gaming, finance, challenges, reactions, everything. Download one that fits your niche. Now here's where things get crazy. Open ChatGPT. Upload the thumbnail you downloaded. Then type, describe this image in extreme detail so I can recreate it as a YouTube thumbnail. Boom. Now you have a professional level breakdown. Lighting, facial expression, text placement, background style, color grading. Copy that description. Now we go to Gemini, open Gemini, and sign in with your Gmail. Click on Tools, Create Image. Now Nano Banana 2 is your model. Upload your own photo. Make sure it's clear and high quality. Then paste your prompt here, hit Enter, and look at this. This doesn't look AI generated. This looks like a professional design team spent hours on it. The lighting, cinematic, the facial details, sharp, the background separation, perfect depth. Even the color grading feels like a high-budget YouTube thumbnail. Nano Banana is honestly on another level. It keeps your facial structure accurate, it enhances emotion, it understands composition, and the detail is insane. You could literally use this for your next video right now. Want bold text added automatically? Type something like, add bold cinematic headline text in the top right corner, dramatic YouTube style. Generate again, and it places it perfectly. You can even control font style, glow effects, color theme, everything, just through text instructions. Let's delete all text from the thumbnail. Just write delete text. And look at this. Just one strong prompt, and Nano Banana 2 does the heavy lifting. That's powerful. Let's write, add sunshine, and here we go. Oh my God, it's insane. The thumbnail looks like it was designed by a full creative agency. Sharp details, cinematic lighting, perfect skin tones, dramatic background, and it actually keeps your facial features accurate. No weird AI distortions, just clean professional results.
To do this. Here's the wild part. You can literally start offering thumbnail design services using this. Freelance, Fiverr, Upwork, DM creators. Because what used to take 3 to 4 hours in Photoshop now takes 2 to 3 minutes. And yes, the thumbnail of this video made with Nano Banana 2. No Photoshop, just smart prompting. If this helped you, smash that like button. Subscribe if you want more AI tools that actually make you money. I'll see you in the next one.